Okay guys, so I've been trying to figure out how to fix my hair since I'm doing this castor oil challenge, and this is what I came up with. So if you guys are interested in seeing something like that, keep watching. So as you can see, I already prepped my hair, and what I did was to braid up the hair. Started yesterday and now I'm getting ready to go to work, so let's get into the video. Okay, so many of you have commented that I should just invest in a wig. I went into town trying to find a wig suitable for my face, and all the wigs that I tried, I was looking like an old lady. So this is the one I chose, and it doesn't have a lot of curls, but it's good enough for what I want. So I think I have to turn the fan off because I'm having some situation here. The wind is just too much. Turn the fan off. I found a string. Let me just get rid of this string. Okay. Okay. I think this is the best way for me. I just curl here. Shouldn't be that difficult. Okay, so this is the one I got. That's the color I got. Goodness, it sheds. I think it's falling apart. Oh my God. Look at this. Goodness. Whew. So this is a look that I can do, or I can even keep it together by using a ponytail. Keeping it on the side to, like, I don't know, to frame my face a little bit. I can do that for work, or maybe I can try and fold it. You know, something like so for work. You know, try and grab it somehow with some pins. I don't have any pins, so you guys get the picture. You can do something like that. I think it's cute. Yeah? Or I can just let it go at the back. Like so. Just regular. But I really like to see it on the side like so. It's nice. I really do like that way. So comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think with the idea that I came up with, this half wig. Let me know how you like it, how you like to see it on me. I think long hair would really look good. This enhancement, I really do like to see it. Makes me look young, honey. Yes, I really do like it. So I think I'm gonna invest in another one, but it sheds like crazy, as you can see. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments down below.